We've got breaking news here on Steeles Avenue in Milton. Highway 401 this morning was closed in both directions when a tractor trailer carrying 30 tons of sand lost control and crashed through the guardrail, dumping its load across lanes of highway. This happened at 8 o'clock this morning. It has been creating chaos on the 401. This incredible video footage was captured by a passing motorist. And luckily there were no serious injuries, although there were several cars involved. Now, there is any information that you might have on this accident. They've left a contact information number. Investigation number is 905-278-6131 or 1-888-310-1122. And again, if you see breaking news in the Milton area, take a video, send it to Milton Today TV. On Steeles Avenue in Milton, I'm Kelly McIntyre.